This is going to be a video tutorial on how to display or remove the bookmarks bar on the Brave web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Brave web browser opened up now. If you look up top here, you can see I have my bookmarks bar enabled. It is displayed. But to enable it or disable it, there's more than one way to do it. The way that I'm going to show you, you go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Bookmarks and Lists and place your cursor over Bookmarks and Lists. Then you'll slide straight off to the right and straight up to where it says Show Bookmarks. Then I'll slide straight off to the right of that, and it gives me the option. As you can see, mine is always displayed. I have a check mark next to it, but I could disable it by clicking on Never, or I can go down to the bottom and click on Only on New tab pages. But I'm going to leave mine on Always, but that is how you enable it or disable it on the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.